Hi guys, this is Nesar Ahmed, and here I am with assignment 2 of Java class 2. That our assignment was to ask that the user for a string, it should be print please enter a string, and then later on we have to enter the string as the hello, which is actually in lowercase, and then we have to convert it to the uppercase, that it should print all caps, that is hello, hello, and then the length of the string. Then we have to replace o with z in hello, that it should print that hells, and we have to but it should that z alone. Then finally we have to concat hello with the test. And here you can see in my screen that the public class homework I did here, and then I have given the public static void main string args, which is actually the common for everything. Then I give the scanner input is equal to new scanner system dot in, and here I put my string, that is please enter a string, and then I divided the string into two parts, that is the string A and B, to make it more easy for us. And then A is equal to input dot next line, then the parenthesis. Here actually I will put my input, that is hello. Then string B, I actually shown that the A dot replace in bracket O with Z. It is which comes with the double invitation comma, and then system dot print ln a dot uppercase, that top uppercase, that means A will be shown. A means whatever input I'll give, if it is hello then hello. And then next system dot out dot print ln a dot length. Here I'll show the length of the word, and then you can see the system dot out dot println b. B means the replacement already we have shown in the up, you can see here. And then system dot out dot println, here a dot concat means I'll concat with whatever input with test, that is with double inverted comma, and I put a space in before the test intentionally, so that when it print it can be little one space separated from the input. So if I run it here, already I have run it. Okay, so I have to write the hello here. So I wrote hello and enter, and you can see it comes with all caps. Length of the word is 5, then it comes replaced with the O with Z, and then hello test. So this is all about the assignment of the assignment 2 of the class 2. Thank you very much.